Okay guys, here's a short little video to show you how to use this power steering pulley remover. So you see this little groove right here in the pulley. You have two different sides. You have a small side and a large side. Just make sure you got the right one going over it. Slide this piece on. Make sure they're both on the same depth, otherwise it won't fit. Just like that. And slide the sleeve on. Then all you do is tighten this bolt up, and as this bolt extends, it'll pull this pulley off. I'm not going to pull it off right now because I just put this thing together. And then the install tool is exactly the opposite. The inside of the pump shaft is threaded, so you just screw this down and spin the nut down, and it'll push the pulley back on. Pretty simple. And this is the same, I haven't looked at my Camaro yet, but this is the same for pretty much all small blocks, including 4.3 V6. You can see the end of that shaft is a hex. Don't make the mistake thinking that that's a bolt, because it will not come off. Anyway, hope this helps.